Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and before I let the music just play through this whole video, I just want to acknowledge how hard 2020 was. I know that's obvious at this point. A lot of us have experienced what 2020 is. It's a literal dumpster fire, and you will see that later on in a third bullet journal. But I just want to say that I, not to toot my own horn, have a lot of Instagram followers, not a ton, but for a bullet journaling account, I have a fair amount of Instagram followers. So I just think it's important to acknowledge that life is really hard, and some of the things that I've put out into my Instagram, however nice they may look, a lot of these things this year in particular ended up half filled. You can see one right there, my spending log half filled. But particularly around the middle of the year, well, right at the beginning of March, you know what? From March onward, you'll see that there's quite a few spreads that are just not complete, not there, that they are just empty. And that's because, like many people, I struggled with depression this year. So I don't think that that's something that's alarming to anyone. I think that most people have experienced some level of depression in 2020. So I just want to, get rid of that stigma. I struggled with depression in 2020. So I hope that you enjoy this video and get some inspiration from some of these spreads, if not just the fact that sometimes even people that you look up to in the bullet journaling world, they don't finish things either, and that's okay. And because bullet journaling was hard, there's plenty of videos of me talking about that throughout 2020, but I hope that you find some inspiration from these spreads. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy this video, and now let's go ahead and enjoy some music along with these spreads.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.